No, wrong one. I should probably take you down. Yeah. Pop that whole damn hand. Hello, Al Ansari. Welcome to the show, sir. How is your day going? Al Ansari. I have a question. What do you think about a Larimar Mizbah? A Larimar Mizbah. That sounds pretty nice. Because we have lots and lots of beads. Oh, those are not the beads. Those are the bracelets. But still. Huh. Grimgirl, good morning. Yes, very early this morning. Very early this morning. We get it when we can, and we got some friends and some other babies over, so they're all happy and occupied and playing with each other in the house. And for you guys, we got a surprise for you guys. Christy, good morning. Good morning. 4ABH. Interesting. I can make an imam. Wait, the imam or imam?
Hey,
Imam. Yeah, babes?
Rice?
Yes, please. Speaking of Larimar, Grimgirl, yes, I have been enjoying the rain. It's very gentle rain. Supposed to be some nice offshore winds and not too crazy weather, which I love. And you guys, I got a surprise. Check it out. Check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum. Boom. 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 $7 a gram, $6 a gram, $5. No, $7 a gram, $5 a gram, $3 a gram, $1 a gram, $1 a gram. And okay, so this is cheaper than you get it from the Dominican Republic. This one is way cheaper. These ones are some seashells with a little interesting situation. The 7 a gram is the AAA. If you look at the AAA, you can see that the quality is very good. This one's got the blue. The $5 a gram has a little less of the lightning pattern, like this lightning pattern that we like, but it's still very blue. 3 a gram is the normal price for most Larimar, but this is very good color Larimar, so that's good for $3 a gram. Pretty nice. And then these guys are totally wholesale liquidation. So if you guys want to see what something will cost, let's get the scale out. Okay, so the 7 a gram blue heart. Oh wait, that scale's too small. That piece is too small for that scale. So starting off with a little premium piece, just a little guy. 7 a gram. This little guy is going to be costing 2.5 times 7. That's 714 plus 3, 15, 16, $17 for this guy. $17 for this tiny little, very blue AAA heart. He's going to go right there. Larimar, nice. And then, for example, a really... Ooh, look at this heart. That one's got the crazy lightning pattern. That's very good. Angelo, oh, absolutely. We got Amber with insects all day, every single day. But I told the people that they get a Larimar sale, so they get a Larimar sale. We'll call that 9, so 9 times 7 is 63. This one is at 63. And then if you want to go big, ooh, this one's crazy beautiful. That is super good. Compare that to white Larimar. Like, it's so much more blue. This one will be 36 times 7, so it's 36 plus 210. That's $246. $246 for this big bad boy. So we have this Larimar sale on sale right now. I want to liquidate. If I could, I would liquidate the whole table. So I'm even accepting offers, especially if you want to get a couple of these or something, we can do a deal. And then all these are $1 a gram, so that's cheaper than you can get it in the Dominican Republic. That's big wholesale. Can we see the 3 gram lot? Yes, sir. Let's check them out. Little guy here. He's got good lightning pattern, really good cap. Oh, look at that. 1.7. That's like $5. That one's like $5. This heart, which is really nice, he's gonna be $33. $33. I'll start I can start counting them like. Sorry, this tripod's weird, so it's a bit big. Let's see, long one at the bottom. Very good color on this one. Very nice color. I'll say 8.5 times 3, times 7, no, times 3. 8, 16, 24, $28 for this one. 28 for that one. This one's pretty good. Rectangle at the top. EJ. Alan, sorry, and everybody else, say the price of the one you take. Okay, so Alan, sorry, gets this one for 28, I think it was, but say the price to help me remember. 9.5 times 3, 18, 27, plus 4, 31. This one's at 31. Alan, sorry, gets the 28. Let's get our chair over here. These guys. And ping these two guys. Duck under there. And let's see. Okay. Now we popping. Yes, we are. Let's do it on the big one. Al-Ansari, very good take. Larimar, 28. This one goes to Al-Ansari. Screenshot. Take a screenshot. Alicia, yes, these are real Larimar crystals, and we're doing a giant sale. For Alicia and everybody else, if you are new here today, we got this whole thing going on. So, top grade Larimar, best of the best, insane blue colors and lightning pattern, 7 a gram. Then we got this 5 a gram lot, 3 a gram, and all these are 1 a gram, which is cheaper than you find it at the mines. So let's have some fun. Say take to take, we ship on Tuesday. Take 31, that was this one. EJ, this one's going to you. EJ, I have your email address, correct? I believe you've purchased from me before. If it's your first time purchasing, you gotta message me your email address. EJ, thank you. Thanks, baby. Yum. Okay. How about small triangle 5, KLO? Yes, it was 5. This one's going to you. And KLO, this is your first purchase. So please message me your... I was just about to throw it away. Please message me your email address. Alicia, my wifey made me a little rice and chicken. with this new local seaweed sauce that we just bought. But it's kind of a bad time to eat, so I'm just gonna be snacking on the rice and the chicken will wait for later. EJ, next to heart. Middle dark triangle, sort of near bottom. Okay, we'll find that one. This one. I got a feeling it's this one. 2.5. That's gonna be 3, 6, 750. 750 for that one. Chance, I do have unpolished rough slabs. This one's at whatever I said it was at. Please, if you claim it, EJ takes 7.5. This one's going to you, EJ. And that one is in your cart. Very good take. All right, next request. Unpolished slabs. Chance, absolutely. My goal right now is to liquidate this shelf. So I'm super happy to do deals, sell things below cost, whatever it takes. These Larimar slabs, I think they're usually at like 90 cents a gram or something. I'll do them at 50 cents a gram or less. 50 cents a gram or less. And I think I have some other slabs so we can see which ones are better. These ones will be a little more expensive, but I'll still liquidate them. So these are big ones. This one in particular is like amazing. Dinosaur, you didn't miss Hillary, you didn't miss the dinosaurs yet. So would you like a bigger one or a smaller one? Chance? Héctor El Gallero, eso es una piedra que se llama Larimar y es de la República Dominicana. This one at 50 cents a gram, 16 bucks. How much for all of the rough slabs? Let's say this one. Let's say tear it out. There we go. So that thing weighs 33 grams and it's in, and then there's a plastic bag in there which probably weighs a gram. 815. So all these little guys, I'll just do them at like 50 cents. 400. That'd be 407. Dude, take it for 350. That's definitely less than I paid for it. 350 for all those, for the whole box, and you get some pretty blue slabs in here. Look at that. That's decent blue. You can compare it to the colors on the board. It'll get a little bluer when you finish it, so it's probably going to be around the 3. Bro, señor bro, valen, bueno, están de super remate. 50 centavos el gramo. 50 cents a gram. These ones, I should do higher. But dude, I'll just close my eyes and say 50 cents a gram. So that's going to be 315 bucks approximately. 315 for these guys. And the other one, however much I said it was. And these guys got some good pattern. Look at that. That's good pattern. This one especially is a gem. That one's really good. These guys, I mean, heck, I might even go lower if you want to make me an offer lower, because Chance, sure, you can even make me a little offer if you want to go a little lower, because really, I'm trying to liquidate and I'm happy to give you a really good deal. And if anybody else wants that, offer is available. EJ, that one alone, it's supposed to be 175. I'll drop this one down 25 bucks and do it at 150. That's like 75 cents a gram, approximately. 150, and that's by far the best one of all of them too. Which is the only reason that the only reason I'm not doing it super cheap is because it's the best one of the lot. And it's a really good one. It's supposed to be $2 a gram originally. It was $2 a gram. So it's supposed to be 350 approximately. And it would be an easy polish. I have a lot of hearts here. Let's see, how about this little cab right here? This is a nice color cab. Debs, we're on cabs, and there's heart cabs in here, so that's for Gene too. This one at $3 a gram, $8. He's at $8. Circle top left middle, in the $3 gram. Here, this one. That one's 7.5 times 3, 14.21 plus 3, 24. That one's at $24. That one's at 24, and that one's really good. Look at that one. That one looks like it belongs in the $7 lot. KLO claims at 24. Good take. Honestly, the pattern on that one is above the $3 pattern. Heartfar top left. Heartfar top left. This one here. This guy here, very deep blue. Good pattern on him as well. $3 a gram, 33. He's 33 bucks. EJ, awesome triangles. I believe I have some awesome triangles. This one right here, 12 bucks. Hector Gallero. Ah, qué chévere. ¿Quieres corazones pequeños? Tal vez te puedo seleccionar un lote. And super cool triangles. Does this maybe count as a super cool triangle? This one's a $7 a gram lot. So that one's going to be 35. This one's at 35. And that one's polished on both sides. It's not a cab. It's like rounded, which is a little more extra polishing. Debs takes the 12. This one. Yeah, Debs takes the 12. That one's in your cart. Let's write you down. EJ claims 7 triangle. Was that this one? EJ, not sure which one you're claiming. Yeah, I think so. I think this one was 8, but that's not a triangle. That's a teardrop. Teardrop top right. This one here. Al Ansari's request. And you guys, it doesn't matter who requests it. Anybody can take it. It's the first person to say take that takes it. There's no dibs. Asking to see a piece does not give you priority. This one's going to be 36. This one's 36. Tier top mid. This one. Big piece. This one's 93. We'll say 90. We'll take $3 off for you guys. That one's going to be at 90. Let's put it here, our next layer. White tier top left. Gene, 3 smaller hearts? Absolutely, yeah. Gene, what if I just do 1, 2, 3 for you? These 3 together would be costing $45, so they're 15 each. And they're flat on the back and polished on the top, like a cabochon, which makes it fit for putting in jewelry if you want to. These 3 will be 45. Gene, this one's going to you. Very good take. Pen is dying. There more heart, 3 pieces. 45. There you go. And those 3 are in your cart. And then there's a lot of requests. I'm basically getting a lot of requests, so I'm going to kind of skip them and just go to the most recent one. If I don't do your request, request it again. This is Al Ansari's mid-right teardrop. Try and say the size in them too, you guys. That's a nice one right there. 6, 12, 18. 18 on this one. That guy's nice. Triangle between 3 hearts, middle right. Triangle between 3 hearts, middle right. This one, 650. 650 for that one. Small dark blue oval top left. Boom, that guy. Oh, he looks like a good value. He looks like a really good value. 2.4. That's $7. $7 on that one. White tier top left. This one? And Soper 76 gets the take on that one. This one's at 30. This one, Soper 76 gets this one. How much did I say it was? $6? $7. Soper, let me write you down. There you go. Okay, next up, besides the pen teardrop, this one. 9, 18, 27. This one's at 27. Ooh, good colors on the back too. Other pen. Teardrop, this one. KLO takes the 30. Yes, we will do that one. This one's 27 as well, Alan, sorry. KLO takes the 30 white tier. Boom, KLO, this one's going to you. That is in your cart. And we will invoice you today and ship on Tuesday. You guys can build carts if you want, if you buy more stuff before we ship. Alansari takes the 27. This one's going to Alansari. Very good take. There you go. Boom. Large moon top. Large moon top. This one. Ooh, it looks like a snowy piece. Almost looks like a snowstorm. I'm seeing like Christmas globe kind of vibes in that one. That was beautiful. $75 takes this one. Say take to take it. 75 takes this one. I like this one a lot. I want to appreciate this a bit. That's got nice pattern. That's a big freaking round moon. I like that one a lot. That one's at 75. Frank Ocean. And then here's the $7 a gram lot, the best stuff. EJ. These two? Let me weigh them out. This one's 7. This one's 9. 7 and 9. 7 and 9, 16 together. Take 9 and 9. That's going to be the moon. EJ, this one's going to you. Any moons in the 7s? Let's see. Any moons in the 7s? Moon. And it's going to be costing 24. That one's at 24. Big moon. Well, medium size, but really deep blue. Top one of the two. EJ, wait, what? I think I'm missing some comments, but this one's 19 grams. 19 times 7 is going to be 133. This one's at 133. Let's see, what other requests did we have? Teardrop on the left side of the, oh, EJ, do you want this teardrop? I think you were asking about this teardrop. That one's going to be 10. Above it, this one. 9. $9 for that one. EJ takes that one, and then Debs, I see you as well. Let me get back to that. Okay, Christy, I see you as well. That's going to you. No, wait, no. That's going to you. That's going to you, Christy. Debs claims small tier next to large. Debs, sorry, I don't know which one you mean. Maybe this one? Is that the one you wanted, Debs? $14. Debs top. Small teardrop next to large. Not sure, Debs. Let me write down Christy. Good take, Christy. And Christy, that one is in your cart. Almost budding biggest. Oh, it moved. Is it this one? First rectangle in second row of the sevens. First rectangle in second row. This one here, crazy colors on this one. Crazy colors on this one. 27 times 7 says 49 plus 140, 189. 189 for this one. Crazy colors on this one. I should be doing the flashlight test, but they're all going to pass really well. Look, two different colors. You got the greens. You got the blues, which is the most desired color, and then greens, and this one's very two-toned. Think on it. Okay. A lot of good quality like that in the $7 a gram lot. And there's small ones too. Okay, Debs, I'm trying to find the piece you want. Let's see. I got a crazy idea. Let's try something real quick. And below. See, Debs, I'm lost. I don't know what piece you're looking for. So we'll say row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. Top. Okay, so I think, what did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then these ones were already priced out. So we'll just call that whatever. We'll call that whatever. Row 1. Very row 1. So you mean this one. Okay, we're going to start it again. Row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So row number 1, number 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, okay, I see a rectangle in row 5. So Debs, I'm still looking for yours. This is the one Grim Girl was asking about. 9.5 times 3, 30. That one's at 30. All right, Deb's in row 1. Let's see, 1, 2. Try and line it up. Claim 30. Grim Girl claims the 30. Very good take. I'm going to keep it like that, Debs, while I write down Grim Girl. And Grim Girl, this one is in your cart. You're welcome, Debs. We will find your piece. 3 and 6, number 3, 4, 5, 6. These two? Debs, those two? 3 and 6? That one's very blue. That one's 6, 12, 18, $17. 17 for that one. This one's got good pattern. This one's at 33. 17 and 33. Is that a take on the 17? Very blue, both of them very blue. Debs, take on the 17, I believe, and then the 30, let me know. Boom, that one's in your cart, Debs. And all right, next request. Debs, I'm glad we could find you the piece that you wanted. Small teardrop row 1. Probably this one. That one's going to be 7. No, 7.5, 750. Okay, Debs. Pass on that one. Anytime I price one out, I'm gonna try and put it up here and call it like piece number 1 or something. So 750, and then row 5 white tier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white tier. This one, row 5 white tier. $24 for row 1 white tier. 24. Small hearts, flat rock, small hearts. Ooh, round heart. I like the rounds. I like the puffies the most. This one right here, $17. 17 for that one. Hearts, row 1 second heart, row 1 second heart. This one right here, 16. $48. Take 17. That was this one, I believe. That was this one. Yep. Flat rock. This one's going to you. Good take. Flat rock. This one is in your cart. Puffy heart. Do you guys have a preference between puffy hearts, which are polished on both sides, and cabochon hearts, which are only half polished here, but it's flat, so you can put it in a jewelry, and then it's got a nice polish on top? Do you guys have any preference? I feel like I prefer the puffies, but they do usually cost a little bit more to get made. Yeah, I think I like the puffies too, but it does make the price go up just a skosh. Row 3 rectangle. $25. $25. That's now number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.4 triangle. My rows are all messed up again, so we're gonna call this row number 1, 2, 3, 4. 25 take. 25 take, 25 take. This one's the 25. 25 take. Debs, this one's going to you. That is in your cart. 25. 3 last heart. 1, 2, 3. This one. 2 big hearts and 3. It's a cabochon. It's not a puffy. 8, 16, 24. This one's at 24. This one's... This one? Oh, nice pattern. It's almost like the peace sign. It's almost like the peace sign. That one's at 22. This one's at 22. And I feel like Lorica's going to take it. Let's see. Lorica takes it. I knew it. I had a feeling. Thank you for your purchase, Lorica. Very good take. Lorica 09. What was it? Take 20. You guys say the price on them when you take them just to help me remember, because I'm going through a lot of prices. 22. Small hearts on bottom row. This one. This one, very nice color. That's very nice color. I like that one a lot. This one's at 21. This one's at 21. Nice little heart. This guy's at 21. Larimar only comes from one mountain in the Dominican Republic, and we got a lot of it. Gene takes this one. Very good take, Gene. Boom. Boom. And that one is in your cart. 4.4 triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. $15. 15 for 4.4 triangle. 15 on that triangle. And that's now piece number 5. Next request. This one looks nice. That's a beautiful piece. EJ takes the 15. EJ, let's go to the back here. EJ, that one is in your cart. Let me just organize these up a bit to keep it clear. Row number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the priced ones go up here. And then we call that number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Small heart bottom row on the end. Bing. Easy enough. Nice color for $8, $12. $12 for this one. $12 for this guy. Nice little pattern on him. Keith Sturgeon, welcome, welcome. $12 for that one. There we go, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, deep blue heart. 33 on this one. Should be actually 35. I'll keep it at 33. This one's at 33. Remind me when you take it. Boom. Row 4, tier above heart. No, that was a flat one. Lorica, that one's flat. Grim Girl said 5.1 heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.1 moon, no heart. Row 5, last triangle on the right. Bing, this one right here. He's $10.50. $10.50. Paleo Prairie, awesome. Okay, I'll DM you back. EJ, of course. Am I going too fast for you guys? Here you go, EJ. This one's at whatever I said it was at.
Hey. Target.
Oh, you guys going to Target? All right, pause live feed. Pause for a second, guys. See you later. Drive safe, you guys. Are you guys going together?
No, they're going to do their own thing.
Oh, okay. EJ, take 10. EJ, this one is in your cart. Next request. Paleo Prairie. Yes, I would be interested in Hell Creek Amber. I only have very little. I have some, but only very little. And I think one insect. Okay, wait, so 5.1 is a heart. Christy, thank you. That makes perfect sense why somebody would ask for 5.1 heart. $33. This one is at 33. And this one's puffy. This one's puffy. 33 for this one. Good pattern on it. A lot of pattern. And it's got a little bit of red on it too. Boom. 33 heart. Grim Girl, I think that's a take. Is that a take? I think that's a take. Take. All right, that one's going to you. Nice puffy heart. Grim Girl, how you doing, by the way? How's recovery going? Next piece, 4 heart, last puffy. Cabochon, but good color. It's flat on the back. $15 for this one. Flat on the back, but very good color. Very good color. Gene takes this one. Look at that's $7 a gram color. That's $7 a gram color. That is not. You see the difference? Camouflage. Stands out. Gene takes this one. What was it at? 15. And Gene, that one is in your cart. Grim Girl, awesome. And then when you're fully recovered, are you fully recovered forever? You're welcome. I know how it is. I go through stuff too. I don't really share it on the live feed, but I had my little hospital recovery visit thing going on. I know how it is. And Christy, glad to hear you guys are doing, well, you're doing good too. All right, requests. Row 4, about 7th, tier above heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 7th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tier above heart. So it's either going to be this one or this one. This one's got the pattern, the next one's got the blue. This one's going to be $9. $9 for this one, and the blue, they're both flat cabs. This one's going to be $15. Debs, this one's 15. KLO claims 19. Which one is 19? And then Debs 15. KLO, I get the feeling like you might have been going for the 15 and you typoed. If so, then it's going to be yours. Claim 9. Wait. Oh, okay. So wait, this one's going to KLO, and then this one's going to Debs. That's a CL, not a 1. Thank you, Christy. CL19, CL9. Aha. Okay. So you guys both got the ones you wanted. Debs, this one's going to you. And this one's at 15. Debs, that is in your cart. Bada bing, bada boom, and then KLO CL9. Boom, KLO CL9. Row 5, moon and oval. See, please. I think it's gonna be moon for 27 and oval for 42. And the oval's flat on the back, but it's also very polished on the back, which is kind of nice. So that guy and that guy. That one's they polished him fully on the back, which actually feels really nice. I kind of like that. Row 5, moon and oval. Yeah, Larimar is always a hit. Wait until you guys see these. The $5 cabochons. $10, like $12 for that cab. Debs, take 42. That would be this one. Very good take. This one's going to you, Debs. That is in the cart. Oh, I'm sorry. Row 1, big teardrop, 90. It's supposed to be 93, but we'll just drop it down to 90 just for fun. And it's flat on the back, cabochon. That one's at 90. Let's see. Let's spruce up these rows a little bit. Debs, now all the cheapest ones. Okay, so we can have a bonanza on these guys. I shouldn't do that, but I just did that. I'm sure you can see why I did that. All right. Wait, 4.7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4.7. That's going to be $11. 4.7 is $11. Very good colors. Flat on the back. And I think KLO 5.5 heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5. That's going to be 42 as well. Very good pattern on this guy. And flat on the back. Take 11. That was this guy, right? That was this guy. EJ. takes 11. KLO takes the 42. So let's write you down. KLO, this is your cart. And that was this one. That was this one, right, KLO? Confirm that with me. I'm pretty sure that was this one. Yeah. KLO, there you go. That one's in your cart. Very good takes. How much the lighter powder? These are $1 a gram. And if you wanted to get a whole bunch of them, I could honestly even just like cut a couple dollars off of that as well. Just because simply... Just because, you know. Anywhere you find this stuff at gem stores for like $5 a gram plus. So then EJ, making sure they're heard. That one's going at $10. EJ, score. EJ, and then if you guys want to get just like a pile of this, I would prefer that you guys buy these in bulk. But since I just pulled these corner ones, I know you're going to pick them out, which is fine. Want those 3 in the corner you pulled? I pulled like 5 in the corner. Debs, probably these 3 will be pretty satisfactory, I think. These guys at $1 a gram. They're all cabs. Holy smokes. That's going to be $23. No. $23. That's so cheap. Debs. Okay, these ones are going to you. Larimar, 3 pieces. What was it? 23 or 21? 23, right? $23. $5.2 heart. Yes. Ma'am. 5.2 heart. 1, 2. What? Why is this? Didn't somebody buy this one already? Wait. I might have made a mistake. I think somebody bought this one already, and I might have messed up. What happened? You guys have been here the whole time. Somebody bought this one already, right? Grim Girl got it. Okay, so I got to check. Oh, that explains it. Human error. Look at that. And I bet you anything this one weighs 11.1 grams. Oh, I was close. That's Grim Girls. Okay. Sorry about that, but we got it all figured out. You're welcome. Bad human. Hey, I'm not bad. Or am I? Bad boys. Okay. Then look, I was foolish to have pulled the best pieces from the slot into the corner. But so I will not do it again, but this is the remaining super good piece from the $1 a gram lot. EJ, I will not pull the best anymore because that's not what I'm supposed to be doing. This one's $8.80. EJ takes this one. EJ, $8.80. But we usually just round things down here. Who cares about change? Change is annoying. Let's round it down so you get a better deal. Okay, so how about this? Wait, take 8.8? 8? Oh, yeah. How about this? How about this? I will make a lot. And you can try and tell me like what kind you want. You want oval cabs, you want circle cabs, you want square cabs, you want teardrop cabs. I'll make a lot of like oval shaped ones to start off with. You want large cabs, small cabs. Here's a group of ovals. Teardrop cabs mixed. Okay, nobody asked for ovals, but this one's going to be 59. Take them all for 50. Just take them all for 50. If you want this one. That lot is going to be 50. Let me see if I can just... We're gonna lot it out. All right, that lot's the oval lot is 50. If anybody wants that little oval lot, it's at 50. Oh, also the Larimar shells are $1 a gram. The Larimar shells are $1 a gram. That's gonna be 14 for the shells, and these are all perforated to make a pendant with. So that's a score. If you want to make just a quick, easy necklace, all you got to do is put a rope through it, tie it up, and you're good. And then KLO claims the 50 lot. Very good take. Let's bag it up. Bag it up. Will that fit? Probably not. Let's get a bigger bag. All right, let me just... Okay, hello, there's your claim. I'm going to be writing it down off screen. One sec. And then this pile that we're doing right here is $1 a gram. I'll do a review real quick. Okay, so the good at 7 a gram. Medium 5 a gram. This is, for us here, this is like getting to be lower quality, but in gem stores and gem like events, this is still really good quality. This is 3 a gram. This is the lower quality, which is what you commonly see in stores, and that's at $1 a gram. And these guys are a liquidation at $1 a gram too, which are crazy. And these are pendants with drill holes, seashell pendants, big old ones. So crazy good. $32 for this one. 32. Okay, so somebody wanted what, a mixed lot. Claim seashell. Grim Girl, this one's going to you. This one's going to you for 32. And it's so baby blue. And it's actually in your cart this time. Good take, Grim Girl. That one's going to you. Okay, let's make it quick. Mixed lot. Let's get a circle cab, a teardrop cab, a oval cab, a super small cab, a square cab. $27 takes this lot. $27 takes this lot. If you help me liquidate, I appreciate it a lot. Lorica takes this one. This one's going to you. Let's get some smaller bags because it'll fit in that one. Lorica. Yes, Gene, I can do another one like that with pleasure. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. What's this candle doing here? Candle, you are beautiful, but my tripod keeps getting all crooked on you. What was it, 25 or 27? I think it was 27, wasn't it? Help me remember, guys. What was the price of that lot? And this pen keeps dying. You're out of here. Larimar group. I think it was 27, right? 27. All right, thank you, guys. Lorica, that one is in your cart. Another little mixed group like that. What's my to-do list doing here? Oh, dude, how much of a cliffhanger is that? Wow. How is that even possible? If a fly lands on that thing, it's falling. Okay, somebody's ADHD has got to be like triggered so bad right now. I know somebody watching is like screaming at their phone, like, put that all the way on the table. I know that's happening right now. You can go back here. Okay, now we have actually a nice place to put our tripod, and Or do we really? Watch this. Oh! Oh! Done. All right, I need a nice little. Here we go. All right, that works. There we go. Okay, mixed lot. Here we come. Blue, long teardrop cab. That one's a good one. Small little oval, small teardrop, rectangle. Let's say one big moon for a pendant, and we're at 27. I'll leave it at that so somebody can get that. They can take it right there if they'd like to. And I'll make another one in a second. So KLO claims the 27. Very good take. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. KLO, this one's going to you. KLO, that one is in your cart. Next group. Okay, larger teardrop, smaller, medium kind of drop. This one's smaller, very droppy. That's a dark blue. This one's a triangle. We're gonna go a little bit bigger with this lot to see if anybody wants a bigger group. Another nice blue oval and two, count them, not one, but two tiny little guys that probably weigh only a gram each. 34. So this one's at 34 for this lot right here. That scale needs to get cleaned. Lorica takes the 34. This one's going to you. Good take. Gene, can I add a square? ABI, no sir, I did not find the Indonesian sphere. I really don't know where it is. We went through a lot of stuff this Friday and we didn't find it. Wait, who got this one? Who got this one? Lorica got this one. It was 32, not 33. No, it was 34? It was, what was it? What was it? 30, what was it? 32, 33, 34. Sorry, ABI. We tried. And I know it exists in here somewhere. It's just, you know how it is. Lorica, this one's going to you. Bada bing, bada boom. How much was that? 34? Okay. Next lot, per request, with a square. It's kind of a bigger square. I don't know if that's the size you want because there's only a few squares available. Square, triangle. This will be the angular lot. All of these will have sharp angles, okay? Every one of these will have like, not round, but sharper angles. At least trying to. Boom. Look at that tiny little square right there. All the rocks. Take this one. All of the rocks. Very good take. This one's going to you. Landmark group. 27. EJ, an angular group, you got it. All the rocks, good take. And or moons, yeah. Do you consider the fully round one like a full moon? Because I mean, I kind of already know the answer to that question. Basically, this is more like a moon, but it should be a little more moon-shaped, right? But like, just for curiosity's sake, do you consider this like a full moon? Out of the mind, yeah, I am selling Larimar everywhere from super liquidation. This is $1 a gram, which is cheaper than you get it at the mines in the Dominican Republic, all the way to the good, 7 a gram, which is the good, 5 a gram, which is all really solid, And then 3 a gram, which is all still pretty solid as well. Okay, I gotta make another angular lot. And moons. TT, yeah, welcome. And if you want to get like just a group of Larimars super ridiculously cheap, this and this is the pile to do it. These are all seashell pendants. These are all seashell pendants. Okay, angular lot coming up. We won't be able to do too many angular lots because there's not a lot of angulars. Yeah, we did clear out the $3 a gram pretty well. There's still some left though, I will say. EJ taking on this one, 25. Good take. I think I'll start a new muffin tin area for you. Earth's Rarest Treasures, absolutely. That was 27? Was that 27? That was 20. Or was it 25? EJ. $25. That is in your cart. Let me take a drink of water. Moon's oval rounds. Example of a nice large round or oval in the 5 or 7. So let's say a nice, really nice 7-1, large round or oval. How about either of these two? This one's got the color, this one's got the pattern. And that's more teardrop. I don't know about oval. I'm not seeing any. Let me see that request again. There's round or oval, round or oval. Perfectly circular cab. This one. There's this one. Oh, and there's actually multiple small ones too. Well, the circular cabs. This one is going to be $62 for this one. This one's at 62. This one, which is the same exact color scheme, is going to be 70. And then this dark one with dark blue, which is good, is going to be 84. And then perfectly small ones like this, they're pretty cool. 21. We'll drop it down to 21. Just deep blue. That's so blue. Gosh, if you make earrings out of that, that's just crazy. Okay, we'll put these down here. Any with good veins? Oh, absolutely. These ones are full of good veins. This one you guys might like. Look at this one. Crazy veins. This is actually like an egg shape. It's polished all the way around. It's not a cab or anything. Crazy good veins on that. We call that the lightning pattern or the tortoise shell pattern. This one's meaty. 17 times 7, that's 109, I believe. 109. 109 for that one. Boom, that one's crazy. The camera doesn't necessarily do it justice either. How about the translucency test? Oh, it looks so cool. These ones are cooler than the cabs for the translucency test because you can see deep into them. Okay, so there's that. Well, as far as large ovals, I guess none of them really made it to... How about this one? This one might be a little bit below the $7 grade, in my opinion. I'll do this one at 5, all right? So this one's going to be $45. That's going to be 5 a gram. That's going to be 45 because that one doesn't really have the pattern or the blue. It fits more in here. So it's going to be 5 a gram for this one, which was $45. So he's at 45. The egg shape is very cool. We can examine it more if you'd like. Small sphere cab with lightning. There should be. Somehow not there. What about in here? This one's my best bet so far. Small sphere cab with lightning. Either of these. Either of these. This guy's going to be 16 and probably the same price for this guy. 16. I got a small heart with lightning. This one's very pretty. Oh, that one's really pretty. This one gets the wreck. Small heart with really good lightning. Let's say 7.5. 7 plus 3. 10. We'll say 10 for this one. Dang, that's nice. I think it's supposed to be more like 11 or 12. That's not bad at all. 10 for that little guy. Christy Pocus takes the 10. Going to Christy. Very good take. Nice take. Very good take. Okay. So there's that. Let's go back to the ones. Let's make another lot of the ones because I think there were some requests. Do 100 for the egg? No. No, I don't think so. I'm going to stay firm at 109. Mostly because I'm not sure if I did my math right. It might be 119. What was it? How much did it weigh? 18. It's like 17.9. 18 grams. 70 plus. Yeah, it's supposed to be 119. Or, yeah, it's supposed to be 119. Even more like 121 or something like that. So I'm going to stay firm at 109 on this one. That is actually a discounted price. And then take 109. Earth's Rarest Treasures. Hey, excellent take. That one's going to you. Very good take. That one's going to you. Very good take. I don't mind. Earth's Rarest Treasures claims it. Woo! This one's going to you. Freaking beautiful. Look at that. That right there is AAA. And then it's got like some different variations here, some little black flecks, but this side, oh, so good. Love it. Earth's Rarest Treasures, that one is over here. That one is in your cart. Yay. All right, now let's make a lot. These ones are at $1 a gram. Request the kind of lot that you want to see because I think there was definitely some requests, but they are long gone, need to get repeated. So boom, let's see, small sphere, oval cab. Oh, look at this one's got the lightning in it. It's a small spherical cab with the lightning. Moons, try a little moon. Small sphere around. Oval. Boom, and one more oval. All right, this lot is at $30 exactly. EJ takes this one. $30 going to you, EJ. Good take. Let's bag it up. This one in particular is basically what we were looking for in the 7 gram lot. So good find. Good score right there. And for anybody looking for a special little seashell pendant with some really good colors, which would be really fun to make a little pendant out of. That one's going to be only $9. Jeez, it cost me so much more to get that. Such is life. EJ, this 31 is in your cart and written down. EJ, but you still took that. You still took that last one. Grim Girl, this going to you. Earth's Rarest Treasures. We'll do Amber today. but we're gonna be on Larimar for a while. Grimgirl gets the 9. I'll put another one up there. This one's going to get written down in Grimgirl's cart. Whatever this scale says is the price. This one's 8. This one's 8. Also a nice little seashell. And Lorica takes the 8. Let me put another one up there just for fun. This one's pretty. Lorica, this one is in your cart. Earth's Rose Treasures. Yeah, you can order some display cases. You can DM me for that order. Normally I don't do stuff in the DMs, but for display cases, that's easy peasy. Boom. Okay, so another lot. This one's gonna be round ones again. Roundish pieces with no harsh angles on them. No sharp angles. And a moon here, just for fun, why not? Round piece, round one. This one's at 45. This lot's at 45. EJ, oh, that one's out of your cart. Passing the 30 lot, okay. EJ, that one's canceled, off your cart, no problem. This one is out of the mind, yes. Oh my god, it's the bane of my existence. But we find our ways because out of the mind, I also managed to make money on like videos and like my website and stuff like that. So I'm not 100% selling stones for all my incomes. And you know, you don't get taxed on like video incomes and well, no, you do get taxed, but you don't get tariffed. So yeah. You had to order in Munich. Oh, that's not good. Gene, can I add a square? Yes. One square, I don't know if that square is sufficient. It's a ring size square. We also have some other size squares that I can add. 1, 2, 3, 4. These ones are all bigger. Ali, Larimar from the Dominican Republic. Wholesale, $1 a gram. AAA, $7 a gram. Middle, $5 a gram. Middle, $3 a gram. Take yes, add the squares. Okay, and this guy just kaput, so plus all the squares. So Gene, these guys, $85. 85. Gene, all right, these are going to you. Very good take. Group. Ali, Rosary Beats 12 millimeters. No, not at the moment. Not in Larimar. Well, maybe. Actually, I should check. But not. I think I just have 10 millimeter and below, and it's really mostly like 9 millimeter and below. EJ, screenshot. I don't send pics with the invoices. 7 grade sphere golf ball size claim. Out of mind. I wish. I do not. Okay, so Gene, that's in your cart. Deb, I see. Ali, amber galore. Lots of amber. Amber everywhere. We got amber stuff, insects in amber, amber this, amber that, amber up, amber down, amber left, amber right. EJ, yes, absolutely. EJ, this is going to be Amber in, amber out. That. Okay, EJ, you got this. Wait. Here you go. Okay. EJ, this is your lot. There you go. Did you get your screenshot? I'm about to put it all back. Okay, EJ, you got that, and then can I add the little roundy boy to the big, by the big teardrop to the left of the scale. This one. Debs, I'll get to yours next. Oh, yeah, Mizbah prices. I'll do Mizbah prices in a second. This one's at 5. EJ, throw that one in for 5. Down 3 rows. This one. 2. Yeah, these ones I want to sell in groups because I'm liquidating below cost. EJ, this one for 2. But that's what they cost individually. Take 2. Okay. That one is... boom! In your cart. And... EJ, take 2. Okay, so now Deb has been patiently requesting add some circles, 3 small pieces square, and tier next to scale. Okay, Debs, I think these are the ones calling you. Boom, add some circles, I believe. Deb, feel free to reiterate your request if you want, because I'm not sure if I got it. That's going to be at 20 bucks. 20 for that. Debs, you want to take that lot for 20? Debs takes 20. Very good take. Thank you for your purchase, Debs. Debs. Boom, that is in your cart. And the 4 tiers in a row next to scale with the circle. 4 tiers in a row next to scale with circle. Dyslexia, Grim Girl, not sure I see what you're seeing. Starshine Tinies. It's a dark tier with lightning. This one? That one right there? And then let's make some tinies. Any really sharp tiers? EJ, yes, absolutely. Make a quick round of tinies. I think that's what somebody was asking for. Okay, Grim Girl, that's coming up next. I think somebody's asking for spheres, right? This one? Really small? Starshine, is this looking all right? That stuff I'm putting together? Oh, here's a good one. Looking great. Good. Oh. Bing! And... I think that's the last one. One more. There's a bigger one. This one's going to be... okay, it's going to be at 28. Starshine. I think Starshine took this one already. I think Starshine pre-took this one. So this is going to Starshine. Starshine pre-claimed this lot. Larimar Group 28. Last one, like Footprint Law, Out of Mind. Don't know about that one, Out of Mind. Grim Girl. Can you retype your request, Grim Girl? It was like a 4 teardrops and a circle or something like that. Boom, 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 boom. I think. How's that? Those 5. And there was one that I pulled out. Grim Girl, yeah, there was one like this oval one, but it wasn't really that good, so I pulled it out. Grim Girl takes this lot. Boom, 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 boom. Grim Girl, thank you for your purchase. This one is 32. And Grim Girl already has a little cart open. Oh yeah, somebody was asking for really sharp teardrops. Grim Girl writing it down over here. Boom. Sharp teardrops. Somebody was asking for sharp teardrops. Boom. Sharper, sharper, sharper image. Sharpest tool in the shed. EJ, oh, it was used specifically for that last one, so maybe this isn't what you're looking for. How about these for 25? This little lot for 25. All of the rocks, a triangle lot, yes, we can try. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Take 25 if EJ passes. I think EJ passed on that. So I think that'll go to you, Grim Girl. Oh, this is triangle. Do you count that as a triangle? That's more of a teardrop. I don't know if you count that. Grim Girl's getting this next one. Woozy Super Larimar sale. $1 a gram, $1 a gram, $7 a gram, super good stuff, and then mid and mid. They don't look too, these ones don't look too different from afar, but this one has much more pattern in it. Can I get in 7th grade lineup? Yes, yes. Okay, wait, couple requests coming in. Let me write down Grim Girls 25. Any others without a flat back? I don't think in this lot, no. There's one little sphere here. Oh wait, I was making a triangle lot. This might be the only triangle available. Yes, that is the only triangle available. Woozy, it's a stone that only comes from one place, the Dominican Republic, and that's it. This one's at 11 for that one. And if you go to the Dominican Republic, Larimar starts around like $2 a gram or something like. So this is below cost. Grim Girl takes the 11. This one's going to you. And that's in your cart. Very good take. All of the rocks, you'll take all of it? If you're going to resell, $3 a gram is a standard price for Larimar. And then when you go to stores and stuff, it's like 5 and up, even sometimes 10. So if you bought all this for $1 a gram, which if you bought the whole thing right now, I would drop it below $1 a gram for you. If you want to take it all, it's good resale value. All the rocks, no, oh my God, ah, dang. The triangle, all the rocks was taking the triangle, wait. Grim Girl got the triangle. Grim Girl got this one for 11. She got the first take on it. That one went to Grim. Grimsies. Oh, you'll pass it to him? Okay, then Grim's... Can I call you Grimsies? Passes it. All right, so that one's off your cart. And that's going to Earth's Rarest Treasures, right? No, all of the rocks. All of the rocks here. Larimar, 11. All of the rocks you have obtained a Larimar triangle. You're welcome, and Grim Girl, that thanks should be extended to you too for being so generous. All right, who wants all of this for $1? Just kidding, that sale's over. Done. Okay, next up. Geez, that blue looks good. Geez, that blue looks good. Look at this. That's a beautiful Larimar heart. Triangle top left corner. I see what you see. It's a square, but I'll show you in a sec. $77 for this heart. 76. That's a beautiful heart. That's crazy. And then, okay, out of the mind, 2 larger, first darkest honeycomb and the other same-ish but reverse color pattern, prefer the same size. Out of mind, I don't understand. EJ, triangle top left corner. I think you're thinking about this one. Chat does go fast sometimes. Chat goes fast. I don't think I have a triangle up here. Do you see it? Do you see something I don't? Because I'm not seeing no triangle. Frogger takes the square. I believe that's this one. $6. Frogger, good afternoon. How you doing? What was it? 6? It was 6. Frogger, feel free to ask for a lot. If you want, I can make a group of squares or shapes or mixed shapes or whatever, because I prefer to sell these ones in lots. Other left. EJ said my other left. Apparently, I went left when I should have gone right. What? Zigzag? Still not seeing no triangle. All right, I'm gonna make a lot of squares. It's gonna be first come, first serve, no dibs. But let's make a lot of squares. One. That one's kind of rectangle-y, but we do what we can. Ooh, small one, small one. Boom. Any other squares in here? Yep, one more square here. That's a nice one, by the way. Here's another one. Nice blue. Here's another one. A lot of squares. Okay. I think that's all of our squares. 34. Frogger takes it. This one's going to you. for 34. Good take, Frogger. Boom, 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 boom. Dark teardrop, top right corner. I think that's going to be this one right here. And hello, Frankie. Hello, Tazbon. How much Larimar Stone? $1 a gram, $1 a gram, $7 a gram, $5 a gram, $3 a gram. This one's going to be at $4. EJR perspective. Oh, good point. That's interesting. True. How much was this? Did somebody take this one? $4. I think somebody's taking this one for $4, right? Sorry, bottom left. I get the feeling you're talking about this one. Turkey shipping is $25. 25 United States dollars. $4 as well. These are now EJ, this one's going to you. I could tell you want that one, so I'm going to take that excited yes as a take. EJ, that is in your cart. Oh, your sticky note is just about full. Let's see, what time is it, you guys? It's 11:46. Ooh, I think I gotta go. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Gotta check something. Nine, 12, 1, 2, 3. Not much. Live today, mostly about Larimar, to be honest, yeah. But no, we have Amber all day available. We're just going hot on this one right now, and I might have to finish it relatively soon. This is the 7 grade, $7 a gram grade. So let's start off with a little guy. 2.5 grams, 714, 17 for this guy. 17 for this guy. Small AAA heart. Ooh, this guy looks good. Small AAA heart. 17 as well. 17. Very blue, like candy. Jessica Allen takes 17. Jessica Allen, good take. That is a good take. We will be shipping on Tuesday. Shipping is $5 in the States, $25 international. Any little puffy hearts in the 7s? I don't think there's any puffies left. I think we sold out of the puffies. Jessica Allen, the bluest of Larimar hearts. That is truly AAA. Yeah, be sure to let us know if you're international when you claim. Ooh, lightning heart. That's crazy pattern. That's what we like. Look at the difference. Just look at the difference, you know? ABI, yes, sir. You can. I'm not really sure how much of the book collection remains. That sphere, maybe that sphere's in the book collection too. Who knows? But yeah, we can. I'm not sure we'll get to it today, to be honest. We're kind of coming to the end of the live feed. This one's at 5 times 7, 35, 30, $37 for this one. ABI, I know you keep asking and I keep saying like no to your request. It's not because I don't want to show it. It's that we are running out of time. And the book stuff, like I thought I was going to be really sentimental about the book, but I realized that I just keep editing it and life moves on, you know what I mean? So, Out of the Mind, this was going to you. Out of. Actually, I have a bunch of small spheres, Earth's Rarest Treasures. I have a whole box full of small spheres of the similar quality. So we can go crazy on spheres if you want. Out of the Mened. Larimar Heart. For what was it at? It was at 37. Spheres, I think we're gonna have to pass on spheres today just because they're kind of a handful because they roll around a lot, this and that. So we can do them next time, but there's this. And then ABI, let's just see what this box has in store for us. If we can find something interesting. We did a bunch of sorting. We got a bunch of new Dominican for our next live feed as well, just so you guys know. Not new Dominican, but sorted some stuff that's been hiding for a really long time. This 100 plus box is going anywhere from like $75 to $300. There's a lot of good Dominican insects in that. Website, YouTube, book. Book Indo A grade. All right, let's just see if that sphere is in here. Because ABI, I know you've wanted that sphere. Let's just see if that sphere is in the book Indo A grade. It is not in the book Indo A grade. But we have that. The next live is tomorrow, 4 p.m. Pacific time. All right, see, even that Tupperware is avoiding responsibility, so I don't know where he's at. Don't even know. It's around here. This stuff just gets lost. It doesn't get lost, but you know what I mean. It hides. Next requests. Okay. Can I do my claim tomorrow? Out of the Mind. Yes, absolutely. We'll ship on Tuesday, so anything else you buy, there's no extra shipping fee. $5 covers it. Even if you were going to buy like a pound of this and it cost me 20 or 30 bucks, I just keep it at 5 flat. And then any other requests? Frankie. Oh, cool. Frankie, I meant to message that guy and tell him. Oh, Soper, I will check my DMs. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Any other cool pieces here? Another little egg. Somebody got one of the previous egg ones. This one is very similar. ABI, you're welcome. We will find it someday. It's just like that. This one right here. $35. 35. Earth's Rarest Treasures takes this one. Very nice side on this one. Boom. Earth's Rarest Treasures. That one's going to you. Good take. He only has 60 books left. I already got one. Yeah, you guys, the Amber Art book is finally available. Frankie, how much did you pay for it? Ballpark 120, I know, but do you remember exactly? Earth's Rarest Treasures, awesome. Do you need a floating case? Oh, out of mind. Claim 7 large rectangle top left. Out of mind. I think that's this one. This one looks beautiful, by the way. This one's crazy. Out of mind. I think you're getting this one. It's going to be 169 if my math is correct. 189, I think, if my math. Earth's Rarest Treasures. Let's get you those display cases. 6. Do you know what size? Because we are running super low and we have a shipment in the mail. So if it's like these, if it's the sizes here, you're good. But if there's like 2 that we're out of, I think we're out of extra large. And I think out of mediums. Wait, out of mind, the one next to it. This one. This one here. That's a beaut, color and pattern. Ooh, looks like storm clouds in the sky. That one right there. That one is going to be 37 times 7. 259 for that one. Out of mind, this one is 259. Earth's Rarest Treasures, too large. Okay, I'm pretty sure I got that out of the mind. This one's going to you. Very good take. It's an excellent piece. Look at that. From the 7 gram a lot. Out of the mind. Um, 210 plus 49, 259. Man, being an Amber dealer makes you good at arithmetic. I will tell you that much. That one is in your cart. And then Earth's Rarest Treasures, hoping for a medium. I think this is the mediums. No, that's the large. Okay, we got larges. We're out of extra larges. We have large and medium. So here, look at the size. I don't know if you want me to put a ruler next to it or a banana or something so you know how big it is. Earth's Rarest Treasures, if that helps. 3 in agates. Let me know what size. So we got the large. No, that's the medium, and then this is the large. We have mediums and large. We don't have extra large. Do you know the measurements? I do in metric, sort of. 777 or 999 or 12. I'd have to check. Yeah, these are long cases, and they also are $5. They come with 2 little legs. Gotta get the ruler all settled up. Oh, inches. All right, these are 4x4. And then, what was the other one? All right, gotta make sure the ruler's right. There we go. This one's basically 3.25 by 3.25. Raven, yes, 2 large and 2 each of the longies. Raven, there you go. Okay, but now am I going to run out? Am I going to run out, though? Because Earth's Rarest Treasures wants 4 large, 2 medium. Oh, no. I mean, look, Earth's Rarest Treasures, I think I just sold these 2. So I only have 1 large left, I think is what's happening here. Wait. No, that's exactly what just happened. Yep, I'm out of larges. These are the mediums. But they're in the mail, Earth's Rarest Treasures, so maybe you might just want to hold off until I get them. or get the ones that you can. Because I'll have Earth's Rarest Treasures. I can get these 2 mediums for you, easy peasy. But I can get 2 mediums for you and 1 large, or 1 large and as many mediums as you want. They can have all 3. Okay, that's very nice of you, Raven. Okay, so that changes it. Earth's Rarest Treasures, I can get 3 of these for you. 3 larges. Four. It's gonna be $20. Raven, there you go. Earth's Rarest Treasures, the large and the 4 medium. But now there's 3 larges available if you would like. But otherwise you'll be 1 large and 4 mediums. That's what I'm gonna write you down for. Unless you want to take the 3 larges, you just let me know. Okay, so 3, it's going to be 15, and 4, it's going to be 20. There you go. So 3 large, 4 mediums. Rini, the blue. Dude, the blue is so cool. And if you get it in your hands, it's even better in person. But I think we are approaching the end of this live feed. Any other requests before we go? We'll do a last round of last calls. And Christy, 2 circle display cases. I should show these ones more because these ones are really cool. And I'm pretty sure I bought more too. I hope I did. Thank you. You guys, invoices will come out today. Circular 2. It's gonna be $10. Christy Pocus, there you go. Flat Rock, take a circle. You got it. Rini, when will I be back on? Tomorrow for sure. I don't think I'll be back on again today. Okay, the AAA lot, 7 a gram. This one's a little lower, 5 a gram. These guys are 3 a gram. And these guys I'm selling below cost, below what you can even buy it for at the mines at $1 a gram. 2 teardrops, far left, middle, 7s. All right, let me show you. Left, right. So that means we're going here, just kidding. 2 teardrops, far left, middle, 7s. Maybe these 2? Where's Waldo? I know. These 2 maybe? Oh, no. These 2, I bet. I bet you mean these 2. If you, Rini, if you want to place an order, you got to be the first person to say take on anything. Be the first person to say take, and then it's yours, and then I invoice on PayPal. I ship on Tuesdays and Fridays. These 2 together are going to be $17 for both. Yeah, and then you got to DM me your email. Raven takes these ones. Raven, that's going to you. There you go, Raven. Heart-shaped, it was next to the teardrops. This guy here. Rini, this is the AAA lot, the highest priced one, 7 a gram. Makes this one only $13. He's 7 a gram, but the big ones, they get more expensive pretty quick. Ooh, this one's deep blue though. That one's so deep blue. This one's $49. This one's $49. This one's, what did I say? KLO, absolutely. Let me pick you up some then. Okay, so any size or shape is okay. Pick to add later to my order. I like to do those on the live feed, KLO. So 200, that's going to be, I think, what, 40 grams? 40 grams maybe? Okay, so freaking 40 grams. Oh, that guy's a beaut. You're going to definitely need some pattern in there. Get some pattern on this guy. This guy's, let's get you a pair of these guys. Pair of deep blue ones. So you can make some earrings, or somebody can make some earrings. Is there any heart shape in the cheaper pile? I don't see any, no. But there's heart shape in the $3 a gram pile, which ain't bad. Oh, cherry picked. Random pick. Like this guy. Heart, gotta have a heart in there. That's a nice heart. I think 40. Yeah, 40 grams is what we're shooting for. Ooh, little heart, little snowflakey heart. Can't go wrong with that guy. Random pick. Christy, I think we're just gonna make it. Little square guy. This guy looks good. 39. Oh, I think we're probably gonna go over. I have to pick a little small guy. Somebody called my name. Who's calling my name? I think this guy's calling my name. KLO 41. We'll do it at 40, so it's $200. And then Rini, I'll price them out for you next. And KLO. This group is going to you. KLO, I'm just gonna write that down off screen. Ding. And then how much for Rini? This is not Amber. This is Larimar. This is Larimar. Amber is over yonder in these boxes, etc. But this one's Larimar, so it's not Amber. Different stone. How much would a heart cost in the $3 a group? $3 a gram. Oh, 17 for this one. I don't know if the live stream was paused. My phone just went to a different tab. 17 for this one. 12 for this one. $17 for this one. Rini, take on which one? 17. Wait, how's that possible? Wait, I think this is the 12. This was actually 11. Actually 11. 11. 17. 17. What about the big one? This one here. All right, I think this 17 is going to you because these are both 17. I think you got this one. This big one is going to be 60. And he's flat on the back as well. That one's at 60. So 17 is going to you. 60 right here. And then Rini, I'll also be live tomorrow if you want to add to your cart, and then we'll ship on Tuesday. So Rini, let me get you a cart going. And Rini, I will need your email address. So please Oh, the one on the right? All right, you got it. That one's going to you. There you go. This one's going to you. Nice take. I will need your email address, so please message me your email address. Oh wait, left. I keep getting my lefts and my rights confused. This one right here. Rini. This one right here. I think that's the one you want, right? Oh, or are you saying big heart left? Maybe you mean this? 17 times 3. $51. 51 if you were asking about that. So that one's in your cart, Rini. And then not sure if you wanted any of these other ones. Thank you. Okay, I think you're good. I think that's the last request, you guys. So I think we're going to end the live feed for today. Thank you guys for joining. Lots more where that came from. Congratulations for everybody on your Larimar beauties. Thank you for your purchases. Invoices coming out right meow after the live feed, and shipping on Tuesday. Will be live again tomorrow, 4 p.m. Much love. Adios.